Your question is, which one of the following is not the philosophy of the Constitution of India? Your options are A. Welfare state, B. Socialist state, C. Political equality, or D. Communist state. Right answer is D. Communist state. Your question is, which one of the following is not true in relation to democratic determination? Your options are A. A state in which people are supreme, B. Supreme power is vested in elected head, C. Supreme power is vested in a person solely likewise a king, or D. A government formed by representative elected by people. Right answer is C. Supreme power is vested in a person solely likewise a king. Your question is, how many union territories are there in India? Your options are A. 6, B. 7, C. 8, or D. 9. Right answer is D. 9. Your question is, which is the first ever state constituted on linguistic basis? Your options are A. Rajasthan, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Madhya Pradesh, or D. Karnataka. Right answer is B. Andhra Pradesh. Your question is, a citizen of India will lose his or her citizenship if he or she 1. Renounces Indian citizenship, 2. Voluntarily acquires the citizenship of another country, 3. Marries a citizen of another country, 4. Criticizes the government. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Your options are A. 1, 2 and 3, B. 2, 3 and 4, C. 1 and 2 only, or D. 1 and 4 only. Right answer is C. 1 and 2 only. Renounces Indian citizenship and voluntarily acquires the citizenship of another country. Your question is, which article of the Constitution of India is related with freedom of the press? Your options are A. Article 19, B. Article 20, C. Article 21, or D. Article 22. Right answer is A. Article 19. Your question is, fill in the blank. Without duties are like men without shadows. Your options are A. Belief, B. Rights, C. Moral, or D. Work. Right answer is B. Rights. Your question is, which article of the Constitution of Indian Republic relates to the protection of life and personal liberty? Your options are A. Article 19, B. Article 21, C. Article 20, or D. Article 22. Right answer is B. Article 21. Your question is, an accused of any offence cannot be compelled to be a witness against himself. Which article of Indian Constitution provides for this? Your options are A. Article 23, B. Article 21, C. Article 22, or D. Article 74. Right answer is A. Article 23. Your question is, identify the items included in the directive principles of state policy. 1. Prohibition of consumption of liquor, 2. Prohibition of employment of children in factories or mines, 3. Prohibition of beggar or forced labor, 4. Prohibition of untouchability. Select the correct answer with the help of the code given below. Codes. Your options are A. 1 and 2, B. 1, 2 and 3, C. Only 1, or D. 2, 3 and 4. Right answer is C. Only 1. Prohibition of consumption of liquor. Your question is, the directive principles of state policy of the Constitution of India is taken from the Constitution of which country? Your options are A. Australia, B. America, C. France, or D. Ireland. Right answer is D. Ireland. Your question is, fundamental duties of Indian citizens are enumerated in. Your options are A. Part 1 of the Constitution, B. Part 4A of the Constitution, C. Part 2 of the Constitution, or D. Part 4 of the Constitution. Right answer is B. Part 4A of the Constitution. Your question is, the provisions relating to fundamental duties in the Constitution of India were added on the recommendation of. Your options are A. Balwant Rai Mehta Committee, B. Iyengar Committee, C. Swan Singh Committee, or D. Thakur Committee. Right answer is C. Swan Singh Committee. Your question is, Indian Constitution doesn't empower the President of India with the right of. Your options are A. Appointment of Prime Minister, B. Appointment of Chief Minister in states, C. Being the Supreme Commander of Defence Forces, or D. Executing emergency in any part of the country. Right answer is B. Appointment of Chief Minister in states. Your question is, which of the following types of authority are attributed to the President of the India? 1. Real and popular, 2. Titular, formal and de jure, 3. Political and nominal, 4. Constitutional and nominal. Select the correct answer from the code given below. Your options are A. 1 and 3, B. 2 and 3, C. 1 and 4, or D. 2 and 4. Right answer is D. 2 and 4. Titular, formal and de jure, and constitutional and nominal. Your question is, the Prime Minister of India is the head of the. Your options are A. State government, B. Central government, C. Both state and central governments, or D. None of them. Right answer is B. Central government. Your question is, the Comptroller and Auditor General of India is appointed by. Your options are A. President, B. Speaker of Lok Sabha, C. Chairman of Planning Commission, or D. Finance Minister. Right answer is A. President. Your question is, Prime Minister Manmohan Singh is a. Your options are A. Member of Lok Sabha from Punjab, B. Member of Rajya Sabha from Punjab, C. Members of Rajya Sabha from Rajasthan, or D. Member of Rajya Sabha from Assam. Right answer is D. Member of Rajya Sabha from Assam. Your question is, the Comptroller and Auditor General of India is a friend and guide of. Your options are A. Select Committee, B. Estimates Committee, C. Prime Minister, or D. Public Accounts Committee. Right answer is D. Public Accounts Committee. Your question is, who is the highest ranking civilian officer in Government of India? Your options are A. Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, B. Defence Secretary of India, C. Cabinet Secretary of India, or D. Principal Secretary to Prime Minister of India. Right answer is C. Cabinet Secretary of India.